Yeah, good morning. Good morning, all. So next inventory control, serial control. For what type of items enable this serial control? So first examples are any mobiles, laptops, televisions, washing machines. Okay, so every unit, will maintain a unique different number to track that unit movement within the organization, or when ship the stock to customer. So based on serial number, yes, this unit when I sold out. So what is the warranty? What is the guarantee? Any benefits? So everything I can track, I can maintain based on the serial number. So the serial control also we can enable at organization level and item level. Okay, same unit number, if you want to follow, you can enable at organization level. Or if you want, you can maintain different prefix, different starting number. You can enable at item level. But again, there we have a different options at what time you want to generate it. So one we have at receipt time we can generate, while receiving stock, I can generate the serial number. And also at the time of sales order issue, right? I will maintain stock without serial number. But when I'm shipping, when I'm picking, I will generate the serial number. Okay. And another option is predefined serial number. Predefined. See, what does that mean? Before receiving the stock, I will have a serial numbers list. While receiving stock, this predefined, pre-generated numbers, I will apply for the transaction quantity. So that is what predefined. So like this, and the user defined anyway, it is there. User will enter entire serial number manual. So let's see how this will work in the system. Okay. First go to setup and maintenance. Product management and inventory organizations. Manage inventory organization. Find your inventory. Manage organization parameters. Go to lots serial number and packing unit. See here, this is the serial number generation section. Here, generation again, see here, item level, organization level, user defined. Same. Here, how for lot control options are there. Similarly, for serial control also same available. When select item level, Others, here see, other details are selected, right? Those are all not required. Okay, and this one also not required. Why? Because at item level, how you selected prefix and starting number, system will generate. System will not consider any other details selected when it is generation at item level. Okay, so then select save and close. Okay, and now define one item quickly. Product management, product information management. Create item. My master organization 000. Item plus root item plus. Purchase item. Okay. L3 underscore serial item. Or you can take mobile 100. Now assign item to inventory. 006. Select apply. Done. Save it. Go to associations. Open item in organization. Go to specifications. Here inventory tab, inventory group. Here I will find serial. Now here, see options available. Predefined dynamic entry allowed at inventory receipt. Entry at sales order, transfer order, work order, issue. Entry at inventory pick. So those are different options are there. So first, let me select this predefined serial number or anything dynamic entry at inventory receipt. I will select this one. Dynamic entry at inventory receipt. So dynamic entry means you can also enter starting number. System will auto generate end number based on transaction quantity. Okay, here also I will select prefix LT mobile 100 hyphen starting number. I'll select 24 0001 like this. Okay, select save. Save and close. Again, select create item. 000 item plus root item plus purchased item. Okay. Mobile 200. Assign item to inventory. 002. Select apply. That. Save it. Then go to associations. Open item in inventory. Go to specifications. Inventory. Here I am selecting dynamic entry at inventory receipt. So entry at sales order, transfer order, work order issue, entry at inventory pick, that within the through with help of miscellaneous receipt transactions, we cannot test it. So exactly when we created sales order, transfer order, work order, then only we can use this. Okay. So now I'm selecting this. Sorry, this is already selected. Predefined serial number. See, this is must. Here it is mandatory. LT mobile 200 hyphen 24,001. See, prefix I'm selecting differently, starting number. Here also you can change it, no problem. Save it. 7 plus. Okay. So next word. Yeah. Now we need to generate serial numbers for previously defined item, mobile 200. For mobile 100, it is not required. Only we need to maintain predefined serial number for mobile 200. How will you generate predefined serial number? Go to tools, schedule process, schedule new process, generate serial numbers. Generate serial number. Select OK. In which organization you want to generate 002? For which item you want to generate for mobile 200? How many serial numbers you want to generate? 500 serial numbers I want to generate. In future, nearby, maybe in month, the quarter, I may receive maximum 500 quantity. Sometimes I may receive more than that. Again, I will submit this one. I will generate more serial numbers. Okay. Anytime you can run, you can submit this. Select button, submit. Now what will happen? For mobile 200 system will generate 500 serial numbers. In future, whenever I receiving mobile 200, I will apply for the transaction. So suppose I may receive 10 quantity. I will apply 10 serial number from 500. Likewise, I can utilize 500 predefined serial numbers for future receiving quantity. Succeeded, right? Okay. Again, back to inventory. supply chain execution, inventory management. Can choose your organization. Select apply. So here somewhere you will find, yeah, manage serial numbers. Can find with item, mobile 200. Search. Generated serial numbers you can find here. See? So actually I was selected 24,001, right? You will find somewhere here. It will not show you in ascending order. You will find. See 500 serial, predefined serial numbers. Say defined but not used status. You got it, right? I just created, but I haven't applied those serial numbers for any quantity. So this predefined serial numbers, can I utilize for mobile 100? No. Always you have to utilize for 200 only, mobile 200 only. Okay. Now test the scenarios. Select miscellaneous transactions. Miscellaneous receipt. Select offset account. Select item LT underscore mobile 100. This at the time of receiving, right? 100. Use any one of the sub inventory. Quantity 25. Now see here what happened here. Generate serial number range. Record lots and serial number. Anyway, this is not lot item. I can maintain. So first let me select this one. Generate serial number and go to columns. Go to column. Here, from serial number. Where is it again? Missing. From serial number. Okay, which is same way. To serial number. Now I enabled both. Okay. Now see here I'm selecting generate serial number range. Automatically serial numbers are generated from number to number. So this is generated for 25 quantity. 25 serial numbers going to be generated. Okay. So next line I am selecting LT underscore mobile. Again I am selecting mobile 100 only. Completed sub inventory. Here 5 quantity. Okay. Now what I'll do, LTM 100 hyphen 25,001. See, like this also you can enter. This one was picking from item attribute. This I have entered dynamically. Both it will work. You got it, right? Okay. LT underscore mobile 100. And quantity. So here click on this record lots and serial number. Okay, enter a single serial number, enter serial number range. So sometimes some items serial number completely unique. In that case, this is just like just now I shown you, right? That is what. But here it will see one, one. See one from number one and one. Uh, s- like this again, 21 serial number, uniqueness check failed. Virus. I select 01. Okay. One quantity. So, like this. 0 to 0. 0, 3, 0, 3. Like this also you can enter. Sometimes what will happen, we cannot generate range. Every product will have a different complex combination of serial number. In that case, you can utilize this option. Okay. So this one is enter serial number range. When you select here, it will generate automatically. This one. One to already I shown you, right? This one. These two are already we discussed. So only I just shown you this. Okay. Select. I'll do one thing. I'll just select only 3 quantity. And so I'm showing you different options are there like this. Okay. Okay. Next what? I will add another line LK underscore mobile 200. See, when you select dynamic entry or allow at receive, you will have a more flexibility, more options. But if you select previously defined, predefined, okay, quantity 10. See now here, it is giving you LOV. You cannot enter directly, it will not work also. See here, search. When you click on search, you will find 500 not used serial numbers are there, 500. You can select anywhere, no problem. You can select first one or between anything, but automatically system will select end serial number. But those are predefined numbers. Okay. Underscore mobile 200. So you can record large serial number here. Here also enter single serial number, same, similarly. Enter serial number range. Select serial, this way. Now just I selected this one, I'll show you this one. See here now, already utilized 10. It is showing unused serial number. Like this you can enable. See in the serial you can enable, or you can enable different checkboxes you can enable it. No need to enable in serial wise, sequence wise. Okay. Apply. Okay. Select. So likewise also you can see it is showing like this. Same way single serial number also you can use it. There will be understood mobile 200. Here enter single serial number, one quantity. So in between you can select it, or you can select in sequence like this. Okay. Two quantity, two serial numbers selected. Okay. Then select button sub. Yes. So I tried selection of the serial number in different way. Now we go and check stock availability, how it looks. Any item you can choose it, no problem. Mobile 100 or mobile 200. Select search. Select one of the sub inventory, and you just select serial number details. Here, put it, place the cursor and select enter. Under this, what are the serial number stock is available, you will find. So it is resides in store sub inventory. Stores, stores. It is context, yeah, completed sub inventory. It is an active status. Likewise, I can track it. Okay. So this is what organization level. Sorry, item level. Now we'll test the organization level. Organization level also same, dynamic entry allowed or free defined. Same options only. But this prefix starting number will come from organization parameters. So same prefix, same number generation will follow for all items. In that case only, we can enable at organization level. Normally, generally, will not use this option. Maximum they will maintain user defined or item level, maximum cases. Here, changing organization level. Okay, starting number is mandatory here. So same starting number 24 00 001 if I selected, same I should follow for every item. And prefix also, ATL, Atlanta. Same prefix I should follow for all items. Is that possible? Maintain same like this for all items? No, that is the reason maximum we can utilize at item level only. And one more thing, now I selected like this, ATL 240001, it will generate for one item, item A. Again, I am generating serial number for item B. Which number will generate? ATL 240001 or 0002? That depends based on this uniqueness. So here, across the organizations, within inventory items, within model and inventory item, within organization. So it's depends on business. I don't want to generate same number for other item quantity even within the organization, across the organization. You should use this option, unique across the organization. That means in the 002 ATL 24001 generated. In 001 it will generate 24002 like that. Say, if you are generating same number in 001, 002, when transferring stock from one inventory to another inventory, same serial number will have two items. To avoid that confusion, you can utilize this uniqueness. Within organization, that means what? In inventory, if already one serial number utilized for one item quantity, you cannot same generate for another item quantity. So if you select this one within inventory item, yes, same number I can utilize for across the items. Okay. Then select save. Save and close. Now again create what? Item and test the scenario. Product management, product information management. Create item. Triple zero. Group item plus purchased item. So you can at a time generate a number of items. I want to generate two items. Create, I want to generate at a time, I want to create two items. Select OK. Here 300, mobile 300. Mobile 400. At a time, I can create multiple items. So then assign item to inventory. So this item also. Double zero two.
Sorry, here we are cannot send template site here available template.
Sorry?
You're assigning item to the organization, right?
Correct.
But while you're assigning item to the organization, we are not enter the template, right?
Already I was applying no template in the previous
Yes.
what root item class and template I was selected.
Okay.
So now at a time you can create more items. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. Now save it. Okay, now only 300 it is open. Now you go to specifications, inventory. Here also you can maintain predefined serial number, no problem. But how it will generate ATL 24 same. Okay, but here I am selecting for both dynamic entry.
So
So here
dynamic
even
and predefined difference also.
huh?
Dynamic and predefined generation difference.
Predefined means what? Before start creating material transaction, you must have a generated serial numbers.
Okay.
Dynamic entry means while receiving, you can enter manually or you can auto generate what prefix and starting number you selected. Item level.
After receiving this, after receiving the item,
While receiving.
while
While receiving. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. See now dynamic entry at selected, but I am not going to select starting prefix and starting number. If selected also, it will not work. Why? Because now organization parameters selected generation at organization level. So that is the reason I am not going to select anything. Only I selected dynamic entry at inventory level. Same way, find mobile 400. Select search. Open item in inventory directly. Go to specifications, inventory. Predefined serial number. Save and close. 400 serial number
you're asking predefined starting number.
Okay. Dynamic entry. Save and now test the scenario. Go to supply chain execution and inventory management. Create miscellaneous transactions. Miscellaneous receipt. Select OK. Now see here, LT underscore mobile 300. Sub inventory. From serial number to serial number. See here. 5 quantity. Okay, 5 quantity. Correct, no? 300. Why not enabled buttons? Yeah. How this is? I think I was enabled at master level. Let me check. Let me verify attributes at what level I enabled. Manage items. Let me verify. LP mobile. Attribute item plus. Mobile 300. 300. Just let me open directly. I'm in which organization? 002. Specifications. Serial control. Oh, dynamic entry allowed. So attribute not selected. Following error. You cannot update it based on honors. Oh, that I did mistake. Now what should I do when I can enable again? First we need to clear the on-hand stock. Or I can create new also, no problem. Hmm. Create miscellaneous transactions. Miscellaneous. Miscellaneous issue. Okay, underscore mobile 300. Complete file. Submit. So this one also interview question. Sometimes they will ask you, already stock is available. If I want to enable inventory control, any one of the inventory control, lot, locator, serial, revision, will system allow? No, it will not allow. When on-hand stock is available, you must clear on-hand stock, then enable inventory control. Someone the user defined one made it as default wrote item class. See, now it is allowing. Earlier it was shown stock available, so you cannot update that. Mobile 400. I think mobile 400 was selected properly. Yeah. Now I can test the scenario. Mm, Miscellaneous receipt. Yes, yes. Select, okay. Nearly underscore mobile. First I'll select mobile 300. Quantity by quantity. Now see here, enabled. Serial number you can enter. So you can enter, also you can generate serial number. See how it is coming, ATL2. This is coming from organization level. Right, now it is generated for 24,111, 24,555. Same way, select for 400. Create transaction for 400. LT underscore mobile 400. Pen quantity. Generate serial number. See now here, uniqueness, how it is following already 5 serial number generated for 300 mobile. Then next number taken for why? Because I was selected uniqueness across the organization. If you selected uniqueness within the organization, within item, same numbers will generate for mobile 400 also. But we cannot change the prefix. All the items will follow the same prefix. Why? Because we enabled that organization. If you want to change, maintain prefix, different serial number, better enable at item level instead of organization level. Okay. Select sub. So this is about serial number. Any questions? There is anyway user defined is there that you have to enter entire serial number manually. System will not auto generate. Okay. Next, another inventory control, revision control. Whenever your product is revised, updated, you will maintain revision numbers. So like best example softwares, Microsoft Office, Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 10, Windows 11 like that. And our Fusion application also 24A, 24B, 24C. So these are the revisions. And but this we can maintain always at item level. We cannot enable at organization level. Always we can maintain at item level. So let's see how this will work. Again, first you go to setup and maintenance. Product management, inventory organizations. Manage inventory organization. Double 02. Search. Select manage organization parameters. Here somewhere you will find, yeah, this one, starting revision A. So that means how revision numbers you can maintain A, B, C, D like this. So maximum if you use A, how many revisions you can maintain? A to Z. You can maintain, right? 28. But sometimes this product may revise more than that. That time, no problem. AA, AB, AC, like that you can utilize it. You don't worry. Okay. Also, you can start with zero also, no problem. Starting revision as zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, a number of revisions you can create. Either you can start revision with A or zero, anything possible. Save, save and plus. Right. Now you create a revision control item. Go to product management, product information management. Create item. Okay. So I'll select LT underscore Windows operating system. Microsoft Windows operating system. It's software. For anything you can apply, no problem. Okay, go 02. Select apply. And then save it. Click on this associations and open item in organization. Go to specifications. Under inventory tab, revision control, yes. Save it. Now you need to define revisions. Go to actions. Go to actions, manage revisions. So here see how this is coming from, where it is coming from, inventory parameters. Here description I'll enter. 0 is Windows 8, like this. Likewise, you can create them. One. W9. But here, effective date should be always future date, future time at least. See now here, it is 9:55, right? Here I am selecting 9:57. It cannot be backdated. Why this is backdated? 9:55. Enter date in same format as example. Correct, right? Which format I selected? It should be this is fine, right? Yeah. Next. Here I think this is the way it will not allow. Let's try this way also. W10 directly revision code also. I'm giving. Select OK. Here then okay, like this we can define how many times your product is revised. You can define like this. Save and close. Now let's see, test the scenario. The supply chain execution, inventory management. Create miscellaneous transactions. Miscellaneous receipt. Yes. Say this any control that will work only for 002. It will not work for 001. So if you want to enable again in 001 parameters, you have to update. Okay. Select OK. LP underscore Microsoft operating system. Now see revisions are enabled here. See it is showing. So directly also you select it W10 instead of 01. You can use it. Sub inventory. Quantity 10 quantity. So I'm receiving 10 quantity revision A LT underscore revision B, that means revision 1 5 quantity. That means, so example 0 is W8, 1 is W9, and next one is W10. Quantity I'm receiving 15, right? So operating systems I'm receiving totally 30, but 8 version I'm receiving 10 quantity, 9 version I'm receiving 5 quantity, W10 I'm receiving 15 quantity. Select OK. Now go and check stock availability, how it looks for revision control. LT underscore from Microsoft Windows operating system. Select search. Total stock available 30, but 8 stock available 10, 9 stock available 5, 10 stock available 15. Likewise, revision wise also you can track stock availability. Transactions also you can maintain revisions wise. So this is what revision control. Only one scenario in revision control. See, like this. This is the hierarchy, stock availability hierarchy. You can find it for the revision control. So now 3 controls we discussed, lot, serial, revision. So locator we will discuss on Monday. You can continue this. So here also we'll have some more scenarios in locator control also. Any questions? Okay, thank you.